2022 El Camino SS. We're doing custom hand-painted stripes. Right now, I have everything laid out. Full entire hood was painted, base coat, clear coat, sanded, and then once it's sanded, we laid out our stripes. As you can see here, I do 2 coats of base color just to achieve color. I don't want a lot of build. And then once all that's finished, I pull all my masking tape, and I'll pull all my tape, my lines here, and then we will bury it all in clear. All right, I'm gonna yank some of the tape, see what we get. Alright, well, last you saw here, we applied the color for our stripes, and we pulled the tape. Here's the end result, finished product. After we applied 5 coats of clear, we wet sanded everything with 1500, 2000, then 3000, and we gave it a polish. And this is what you're left with.